Are you considering new windows for your home? If you're in Salt Lake City, you're in the right place. Let's explore home window installation options and get you started with accurate estimates. One major mistake homeowners make is not researching their contractors. Always verify reviews and ask for references. Another frequent error is not understanding total costs. Be clear about what each estimate covers. Finally, many underestimate the timeline for installations. Always factor in seasonal delays and confirm with your installer. Let's start with a big one. What should I expect during the installation process? Expect thorough preparation and regular updates. What warranties do I need to look for? Ensure your installer offers solid warranties covering both products and labor. Are financing options available? Yes, many installers provide financing solutions to ease your investment in quality windows. Ready to transform your home? Call us now at 385-300-0903 for a free quote for new windows. Your perfect installation awaits.